Guys, let's discuss MongoDB today. So we will discuss about MongoDB and what are the differences with MySQL. Okay. So let's first install MongoDB. So this is the link mongodb.com and then try then download and then community. Okay. So if you want to download it from Google, just search MongoDB Community Edition. Download MongoDB Community Edition on your Google search bar, and then you get this link. And after that, click on. You will get a window screen like this, and then click on this select package, and after that, click on download. After clicking on download, you will get the MSI installer. Okay, just double click it and then do next, and I think you will be able to do this easily. After that, just do MongoDB search MongoDB Compass. Okay, and MongoDB Compass is this is the this is something like PHP management. If you guys have worked on MySQL, then this is something like PHP management. So here you can see there is an advanced connection options here as well. So here is the authentication tab. Here you can set the username password as well. You can see here the username password. Okay, and then you can use that connection method whatever language you are using. Okay, if you are doing it with PHP, then you can connect using the PHP code. There is a library available for that, but we will skip all these methods and all this like that. Okay, we will just connect it on whatever it is currently now without setting any without setting any username and password. Here, after clicking on the Connect tab, we will see something like this. And then click on this database. You can go to databases from here as well. And here you can click the database as well. Give it a name, say, give it a name user, and then collection name, data uh, of users or whatever which is good for you. Okay. Or you can say here simply user data. Okay. Collection name. Okay. And then click on create database. So your database is created. Okay, so this is the format. Type a query. This is the format you will get here. Because unlike MySQL, what MySQL does, MySQL stores the data in a structured tabular format. Okay, but this MongoDB, this stores in a document format. Okay, document format. So easily, if I say the differences between MySQL and MongoDB, MySQL stores data in a structured tabular format. What does MongoDB stores data as JSON documents? Okay, and MongoDB stores a large volume of unstructured data and follows a document-based storage approach. Okay, it is relatively faster than MySQL as well. Okay, so now here you can see the basic differences with MySQL. This is the basic example of how it stores the data. This is how MongoDB stores the data. You can see here the name and then the occupation, whatever, and then the URL and date. So here you can give all in a one way. So this is just the beginning, and later we will see more how we can connect using username, password, and then can insert the data and all that. So this is good for beginning purpose. And there is also a cell which is known as Mongoose. Here you can see. So we can use this as well. Uh, Whatever is easier for you, I will also make a video on this later. But let's start with this and then we will move forward. Thank you guys for your time. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe if you still have not.